I'm in the kitchen and look at that new floor right there. Isn't it beautiful? We are just finished redoing the whole tile floor in the kitchen. They're not completely done. The boss is coming to inspect the work before they leave, but yes, it is done. 3 days of not using the kitchen, but now it looks beautiful. Let me show you what it was like before with all the cracks and the holes and what it is now and how we got there. Step by step video here. Enough of the noise here. As you can see, first day is demolition day. And what I was not prepared for, not expecting, is that amount of dust. I mean, as you can see, the kitchen is covered. They put some plastic everywhere around the kitchen, on the counters, but honestly, the dust got even under the plastic. It was everywhere and not just in the kitchen. It is an open kitchen, so it went to the other side, meaning the dining room, the living room, up to upstairs. I could not believe it. It just flew everywhere around the house. So it was a big mess. Let's be honest here. I mean, it was all cracked and it was not looking good. We've been in this house for 10 years and it was laid out by the previous owner even before that, so it was well used. Needed to be replaced, but woof, that amount of work and dust. Look at that. That is upstairs. The girls started coloring upstairs in the bedrooms. Yeah, that much dust. Unbelievable. Just be ready if you are new to construction, as I am. Woo! But that was it. That was day one. Now day two was much softer. Leveling the floor here and then putting the tile down. So that went much smoother. overall here, an amazing job. Very detailed. They really did well. It took them 3 days all together. It was kind of loud in the kitchen with some Latino music, which explains the voiceover and the music I added here to avoid any copyright with YouTube. I hope you understand. But yes, very, very nice. So they did clean it afterwards, as you can see here. But it needed to dry after that, so you need to give it 24 hours to dry and an additional 2 days without any cleaning on the floor. Try to avoid also having the dog and so on. You want the grout to really dry. But yeah, aside from that, the result is fabulous. You only realize how old the previous floor was when you see the new one on, you know. Yeah, it was all cracked. That's something you could not see until, I mean, you have to really be there and look at the flooring to see the damages we had in the past. But this one is just, wow. Really nice job. I'm very pleased. I hope you enjoyed the step-by-step video here. If you did, as always, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. And, well, thank you all for watching. Come back for more.